There it goes again. It's back to being at 500 negative 500, and earlier it was at positive 600. I make it zero out again, like putting the prongs together makes it zero out, and it was working fine when I first got it, and I just got it today. It was working fine, and there it goes again. It's going back to being like, I'm gonna put it in the outlet. Now it went back to being normal. Now it's not moving at all. How does it do that? How does it go from spiking up and down to being completely flat? I had it plugged in and it was working fine. It read the voltage as it read the correct voltage in the outlet. It didn't just say 1. And the numbers were going up and down, so high, so low. Like it was positive 600, it went to negative 400 or something. And I just bought this thing today.